Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a holiday Starbucks recipe that's good for your Keurig. On this channel we introduce recipes that you can use with your Keurig machine and make good coffee with. If this is your first time on the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the like button and the notification bell so you can get alerted whenever a new video drops on the channel. Okay, so today guys we're going to make a gingerbread cookie using the Starbucks brand gingerbread K-cups. As you can see, we have our Christmas cookie Jordan skinny syrup as well as the coffee mate brown butter cookie coffee creamer. So with this recipe, it's very good. Decided I would share with you guys, holiday edition. So first thing you want to do is always turn on your Keurig. Make sure you fill it with water. And we go ahead and pop in a K-cup. But I'll go ahead and show you guys the box real quick. So guys, as you can see, this was released for the holiday. And it's only limited edition until it run out in stores. And this is the gingerbread Starbucks limited edition coffee K-cups. As you can see right here, it's a 10-pack. And I caught this on sale around the holidays. So I just wanted to show you guys the box. And this is what the K-cup looks like. It says limited edition on the actual K-cup. Right here, let you know gingerbread flavor, ground coffee with other natural flavors. So just wanted to show you guys. And now we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the Keurig. Put it on 8 ounces so it can brew on strong. So you can get the best flavor out of this. And you see we got our trusty Starbucks tumbler already set. So let's go ahead and insert this in the Keurig. Okay, so we set it on 8 ounces to brew strong. As you can see in the background, I also have other coffee flavors that I'm working on, so make sure you watch the other videos on the channel. You can see in some of the shorts that I've released on some of these products. You got the holiday edition syrup to the left, which comes with a peppermint bark and a salted caramel mocha. And of course today we're going to use the Christmas cookie. But as we're brewing on strong, as you can see how it comes out, it's almost like it's a dark roast almost. Go ahead and let that brew. And then about halfway we're going to go ahead and add the Christmas cookie syrup so it can all blend together. So it stopped brewing and we added the Christmas cookie flavoring syrup into the tumbler. So now, like I said always on this channel, I know everybody doesn't like all the creamer. Some people like it straight up. Some people like it like a cold brew style. If you feel like you want it hot, no creamer, you can go ahead and try it. This is a good blend, but for the full recipe that we're trying to make, we're gonna go ahead and next add the coffee mate cookie creamer to the coffee. Okay, so as you see right there, this is the before, and then I'm gonna show it after. Okay, so this is what it looked like once you add the coffee mate brown butter cookie in there. And like I said, you get the little gingerbread cookie, which already have a cookie flavor, and then when you add that, it just gives it a nice holiday feel, cookie flavor for you guys to wake up, you know, with your drink with your eggnog later or something like that. So definitely one you should try, and definitely put it in the comments and let me know what you think once you try it. But again, if you like it hot, go ahead and throw the tumbler on, or in my case I like it iced coffee with these type of flavorings. Go ahead, put some ice in there, put your straw in there, and then you're good to go. So thanks for watching guys, and definitely subscribe to the channel and put some links below where you can find this coffee.